Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a massive botched lighting job. I'm currently using my flashlight on my phone. I have my lamps on, I have my light on. It's currently like 8 PM and I didn't bring my lights with me. This is the reality of filming when you do not have the space in the car to bring your filming lights, and so therefore you have botched lighting. But you know what, it's okay because I'm sure you guys don't care about the lighting. You're here to see my room. So you guys might not know, but I've actually got a standard bedroom at the University of Nottingham, Broadgate Park. And basically what that entails is I have shared kitchen, shared bathroom, and a basic room with like a single bed and a wardrobe and stuff. But I was actually really worried before I came about the whole bathroom thing, as I'm sure many of you are if you have to have a standard. And actually it's been fine, and actually I'm kind of glad that I got a standard, because paying £2 more for your own bathroom seems a bit silly when you think about it, especially when everyone else in my flat is actually so clean and so respectful of the stuff. But yes, I know that a lot of people are on edge about shared bathrooms, and I'm here to make you feel better because you know what, I decorated my room, I made it all cozy and comfy, and I absolutely love it. It feels like a home away from home. It literally feels like my room, but not, and it's my favourite thing ever. And I'm so excited to show you guys, so I'm gonna stop rambling and show you my room.
Hello?
So, as you walk into my room, this is kind of what you see. I'm just gonna sort of do a pan. Behind my door I kind of have these two hooks, so these actually came with the room, but I bought this over the door hook so I could hang all of my coats and my scarves and whatnot on there. And then down here you give it a little waste basket and a mirror. Sorry, ignore the hair, I was trying to keep it out of my face. And then over here's my bed. Again, excuse the mess, I was just trying to get some coupons out there because I'm about to go for a food shop. But this is my bed. Obviously it's not made very well because I was just in it, but I have all these cushions. This one's from M&S, this one's from Sainsbury's, the bedding's from M&S. This one I believe is from Asda. The throw, which is so comfortable, is from Costco and it's the best thing ever. And then just next to my bed I have my extension lead and my iPad and sort of all the stuff, the ugliness. And then on this dresser I have a little desk lamp which came with my room, which I think is really handy for like a reading light. I've got all my teas, so I've got green tea, chamomile, cranberry and raspberry, and obviously Yorkshire tea because it's the only type of English breakfast tea you should be drinking. I have some coffee for them times when I've got to get up at like 9 AM for lectures, you know, after a night out. I have my kettle, even though we already have a kettle. I'm very lazy and this is a necessity. I have my mug. Obviously I'm drinking green tea right now in the mug that my boyfriend gave me, so that's that. Obviously a bit messy, so we're just gonna move on. And then in this little dresser I have underwear in the top drawer. I've got pyjamas in this one, which are overflowing. I have so many clothes, honestly. And then in the bottom drawer, which is an absolute must have, I have my snack drawer. I've got Jaffa cakes, oat biscuits, I've got some more tea bags, I've got what is called pop crisps, I've got like some of the things I got from the free box, custard creams, hot pasta, all of the things you need. Over here I have my two toiletry baskets, so obviously I put this there just so it doesn't look messy, but I'm going to show you what each one is. So this is the box that I take to the bathroom because I don't need to take all of my toiletries to the bathroom, but it's just in case, you know. This is basically so I can sort myself out in the morning without having to go back and forth. So I have toilet roll, I have a hairbrush, but this one should be in there. I have a box full of like womanly, you know, tampons and pads and whatnot. Shampoo conditioner, shaving foam, body scrub, fake tan, face scrub, face mask. I have all of the things. Toothpaste, you know, all of the necessities. And then in this copper wire basket here, what I got from Asda, I basically just have everything I can do in my room. So I've got my like vitamins, I've got some of this shimmer oil that I use on nights out. I've got my blow drying hairbrushes when I do my hair. I have some body spray from Impulse. This is like my favourite one. It's from Impulse, but it's the Tropical Beach Plus Espresso one. It's my favourite one. Deodorant, makeup remover, nail file, all of the... And then this is my sort of windowsill, but because it's sort of not very big, I'm using it as like a dressing table type thing. So I have this print here that says never forget where you started, which I still need to stick up, but I'm just leaving it there for now. I have my makeup brushes, mostly from Nancy, obviously. I have my rainy day fund jar, which is basically where I put any spare change, and you're meant to smash it when it gets full. So this is for when I'm really poor and I'm struggling to survive on just pot noodles. And I've got some pictures here of me and my boyfriend because I'm gonna miss him. This is where I keep all my jewellery, but obviously I'm wearing some of it now, so it looks very empty. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna keep my jewellery. I've got my sunglasses here, just from Next, I believe, although I have a guest case, confused why. And then I've got this mirror. Oh my god, sorry, excuse my face. I have this mirror that's from Sainsbury's, I think it was £7.50. And then in here I just keep my earrings. I've got some of this for the glitter party on Thursday, which I'm very excited about. Obviously, whatever a student needs, vodka. And then in here I've got my pill, I've got my keys, my card to get into the building, hairbands. Do you know all that stuff you just don't want to lose? I've got in there. So yes, that's my dressing sill, and I have a really pretty view of the trees from my window, which is very nice in the morning. And then moving on, I have my wall planner, which is just here. I actually took this from my room because I don't want to buy a new one. But that just goes there, so then I know what I'm doing from day to day. Also got my bag, my radiator, I've got my Timberlands there. And then here is like where I just shove everything, I guess. This is like all my shopping bags. Got air freshener there, my chargers, you know, stuff I don't want to like be seen. This is here because I need to get a light bulb for this lamp, and this is the wrong one. But this is my lamp. It's from Sainsbury's. It's, I think it was £12.50. I absolutely adore it. I think it's so pretty. And then I got this tidy tray type thing, which I still haven't taken the label off, that's very embarrassing, from Wilko's, and that's just to try and attempt to keep my desk tidy. And I've got my MacBook. I have my desk planner, which I'm planning on, you know, when I've actually got like lectures and stuff, I'm going to put them all in there so then I can just walk over to my desk and see what I'm doing that day. I have got my clock, which is from New Look, and I think it's so cute. It just has this marble design and copper finish. So nice. This is again from Wilko's. It matches the tidy tray over here. And then I've got my A-level English folder, just in case I ever have to refer to anything I've ever done in my previous life, which we don't talk about. And then moving up here, which is where the real fun happens. This is my shelving unit, which is a lovely size. I keep all the books I've got to study this year up here. So yeah, these are all the books I got to study for in Nottingham. This is my little fake succulent because I can't keep succulents alive. This is a wire basket, which I have nothing in yet, but I will find something to put in it. I just thought it looked quite cute up there for now. And then I have this pineapple that I'm going to keep spare hairbands that I just keep losing. I've got this like mason jar that's full of like crocodile clips because I always use those and I always lose them, so I literally have a jar dedicated to them. This is my... okay, this is something I need to actually do. That's a membership card I need to sign up for. This is my planner. It's marble design. I believe it's from Oh Dear. Yeah, it's very pretty. And so in it you just sort of record what you're doing each day, your timetable, you write in the date yourself, and your to-do list and everything. It's the best planner ever. I love it. And then these fairy lights here that you see, they're from Asda. I believe they were £6. They were really not like inexpensive. I've got this Ella sort of LED sign, which they're individual letters. I actually got this from a shop in Spain, so I don't think you can get this in England. But yeah, I think that's really cute. I have this reed diffuser that's from Asda. Again, I think it's like £2.50. And I have these fake LED candles because I'm not allowed real candles in my room. But I still wanted the effect of candles, so yeah. I think it's dead cute though. And then moving on to my wardrobe. So if I just open it up. So this is what my wardrobe looks like. I have all my active wear up there, so like workout leggings, whatever. I've got my going out stuff there. As you can see, there's not a lot of stuff there because I do not know when I'm going to wear a nice dress. I have some clothes hanging up here, like jumpers and whatnot. I have my chunky jumpers down the bottom. Got all my shoes in this shoe, I don't really know what you call it, shoe hanging thing. I've got tops, lots and lots and lots of tops there. Socks, trousers at the bottom, and then my jeans are just there. Oh, and I've got towels at the top because shared bathroom life. And yeah, I think that's about it for my room tour. Okay guys, that's my room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Subscribe if you want to see more of me, more of my channel and more of my face. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!